guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from doing my Spider-Man look. So I quickly did my eyebrows and they look like bushy and dark. I look like Frida Kahlo, just except the unibrow. Oh my god. But I'm just rushing. Okay, so I'm going to do another look for my PR. It's another collab, but this one is cereal collab. So I'm doing frosted flakes. So I'm gonna try and draw tiger stripes, and I'm gonna add the blue, the red, and all of that. It's the first time I draw tiger stripes. I've done cheetah print last year, and I haven't done the cow print, but I'm gonna try and do one this year, probably next month, or I don't know when, but I'll try and do a cow print. So I'm gonna apply base right now and I'll come back. Okay, I don't want a shimmery glue, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try and use it and see how it looks. So I'm gonna use this blue one again for the crease. Definitely way too light. I need a darker blue. Okay, I'm probably gonna use, I'm gonna use a different blue. For now, I'm just gonna keep blending and blending. I think it's the first time I use the shimmer color in my crease. I don't like doing shimmer on my crease, only on my lids. So it's not that bad, but I'm not going for the shimmery look. It's okay. So okay, you see how it's already blending? I think I'm gonna use the Norvina palette, the volume 1 Norvina palette. It's the perfect royal blue matte shade. Okay, I always start in the middle and then at the ends or the inner corner. So I'm gonna try my best to cut the crease. I'm gonna start in the middle, like, see. Okay, and then in the inner corner. And very gentle, very slow. And then I'm gonna floop. Oops, I need more concealer. Looks like it's too much. So I'm gonna connect it with the bottom line. So I'm gonna apply another layer of concealer over the blue. I'm gonna add red anyway, so it's gonna cover it, but just to make it more pigmented and cleaner and better. Is usually at the ends, right here. I don't mind that much. Actually, I'm just gonna add a little bit here too. Now I'm gonna cut the crease and shade it in with a red shade. So I'm gonna use the Signed by Kimmy palette. I'm gonna use her red shade. Start here at the end. So you see, it's a good guideline when you apply concealer first, and then the bottom. And right here in the middle. Oop, I messed up a little. Just making it more pigmented. pretty much it. So then I'm gonna try and clean right here the blue, and I'm gonna add orange now. So right now I licked the toothbrush with the Q-tip, and I'm just rubbing my eyelid, trying to remove it carefully. The edges, I don't usually clean it with the Q-tip because I might accidentally mess up. So I just mostly clean it up with the Q-tip, and then with a skinnier brush I like to clean it. And if all the blue doesn't come out, I just add concealer over it. But it definitely depends what color you use. If you need to use a light shade, then you definitely need to have it super clean. But since I'm going with an orange, it doesn't matter that much. So I'm just doing that, and I'll come back. So I decided to add just a tad bit of concealer because you can see a little bit of blue still, even though I removed the shadow. Just a little bit, I don't need a lot. And with the skinnier brush like this, I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer part. Oops, I put too much, so it's okay. I'm just gonna keep doing that until it's mostly clean. This part is hard. And then I like to blend it with my finger like that. Now I'm gonna add the orange on top. I'm gonna use another Humble Heaven palette, but I'm gonna use this light orange shade to fill in all my eyelid. Okay. This orange is definitely too light for this look, but I'm gonna use Signed by Kimmy palette again, and I'm gonna use her orange shade right there. Do the same thing with the skinnier brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and draw the tiger stripe lines, and I don't have a lot of liner, so we'll see. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Stiletto. I didn't draw a little help cheese, so we'll see. I'm gonna freehand and just guess. So. Alright, I just looked at the picture, but I didn't draw it, so it doesn't look like a traditional tiger print stripes the way he has his fur. So it's like a black triangles and very spacious. It's not really like typical tiger stripes. So I'm gonna try and draw the big triangle and see how it looks. So okay, I'm gonna maybe in the middle. It looks like a shark fin, but we'll see. We'll work with it like that. I don't know how to explain it. It looks, I don't think I drew it right, but okay, I'm gonna try and do it more triangular. Maybe it looks better. That's how he looks. He's like I'm just going based on him. So I'm gonna fill it in with a MAC Cosmetics black and coffee eyeliner. It says black and coffee. Wow, I didn't notice that was the name. So I'm gonna fill it in. It kind of looks like the tiger from Jasmine. I forgot his name. Shira, I forgot. I'm just gonna fill it in. It's not as pigmented, but I can't fill it in because with the other one, because I need to do it the same for my other eye, and I don't want to run out of eyeliner. So this is what I'm doing for now. I'm gonna do the same thing for this tight triangle shark fin looking at. Okay, let's see. This is hard because this one's chunky, so I think I'm gonna fill it in with regular black shadow so I don't mess it up by accident, but mostly I'm gonna fill it in with this liner. So I'm gonna use the Rose Petals palette, and I'm gonna use her black shade. This is a chubby brush. I'm gonna use a skinnier brush. Waterline, I'm thinking white. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Norvina palette. I'm gonna use her white shade. Now for the bottom, I think I'm gonna use blue, green blue. Be gentle. Local Lashes palette, and I'm gonna use Spicy, the top ones right here. I forgot to darken the red, so but I'm still gonna apply the lashes since it already has glue, and I don't have a lot of lash glue, so I'm not gonna waste it. You guys, I ripped my eyelash. I still need to use it because I already put this one on. It's just I was trying to clean the inner corner and I pulled too hard again. It's always when I clean the inner corner that my lashes rip. Oh, I'm just gonna have to use it like that. Ooh. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna use the airspun powder. Wild blush. looks like a spider. It's the lashes from the hair. I'm gonna add a nude shade. I think I'm just gonna use the BH Cosmetics Sandy liquid lipstick.